Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop or prevent videos from autoplaying in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Edge web browser and then select the menu icon at the top right that says Settings and More. Go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Cookies and Site Permissions. And then on the right side, you want to locate where it says Media Autoplay. And go ahead and left click on that. Where it says underneath Media Autoplay, control if audio and videos play automatically on sites. Click on the drop down here. If you want to disable that, you can just select block. You can also allow it just to automatically play, or you can limit it, which will only allow certain instances depending on your media interaction in the past with that particular website. So it kind of uses a little bit of AI in there. So just keep that in mind. So pretty straightforward. You have three different options to work with, and that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. So you can also add certain websites to the list if you want to allow certain permission controls all the time. So if you want to allow media to always play on a certain site, you can allow it to a whitelist down here. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.